welcome back to the channel. I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia, and today we have some beautiful Woolworths bricks to open. This will be our last set that we have here, so we're still chasing two. We're chasing number 25 and 37 to finish the set, so that's all we need. And stay tuned at the end for a bit of a giveaway, so yes, keep watching. All right, so let's see how many that we have this time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we have 20 packets. That's pretty easy. All right, let's go through and see what we have. It's gonna be a lot of doubles today. 34. Alright guys, so all doubles as usual. So what I'm actually going to do is go back through all these and fill out all the doubles that I have to make one set that I have. Clearly not giving what numbers I still need. I have this entire box as well to go through, and I'm going to go through these as well. So I'm going to look through this one, number 7, put that here, going to stick it down, stick it down again, right on here, number 7, tick it off and drop it in my box. So I'm going to do this for all of them and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so we have nearly another full set, so here you go, all of these. So I am more than happy to post this set to one lucky winner, and all you have to do to enter the giveaway is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you're going and if you're collecting them or whatever you want to tell me. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. As always guys, good luck. I'll draw this next Saturday, and as always I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.